When the bounce house sags, so does the fun. But the RH Adhesives Vinyl Patch Kit lets you reinflate your party fast. Here's how to patch a bounce house with our kit using the world's strongest vinyl adhesive, HH66 Vinyl Cement. HH66 is your insurance against bounce house holes that require repair right away. It's waterproof, weather-resistant, and more durable than vinyl tape or other glues. This adhesive isn't made for nylon or polyethylene inflatables, like some low-end retail bounce houses. But if you're patching an inflatable made of PVC vinyl, there's no better way to do the job. Here's what to do. Step 1 is prep. For safety, wear gloves and work somewhere with good ventilation. Lay your bounce house flat if possible. Then cut the vinyl patch in your patch kit so it covers the tear with about 2 inches of room on every side. Round the corners so they won't catch. Use an alcohol wipe from your kit to clean your patch and the torn area of your bounce house to get the best adhesion. Now apply. Spread HH66 vinyl cement on both your patch and your bounce house. The 1-ounce tube in your kit covers about a square foot on both surfaces to be joined. Use the brush to spread the glue. You want full coverage to the edge, but it doesn't have to go on thick. Then wait about 3 minutes for the glue to change from smooth to tacky. Then attach your patch. Apply firm pressure throughout to remove air bubbles, or press evenly with a roller if you've got one. Use a wipe from your kit to clean any excess HH66, which dries clear but can yellow from sunlight over time. Your patch will be dry in about an hour, but HH66 won't reach full strength for about 24 hours. At that point, you'll have a bond that's flexible, weather-resistant, and more durable than the bounce house itself. And that's how the right glue lets you put a spring back in kids' steps and gives you peace of mind that your bounce house will stay bouncy without any deflating drama.